Okay, back out here at the field. Only one here so far. It's a crisp 60 degrees this morning. Field's in pretty good shape, thanks to the hard work of the crew that comes out here. Got about the same group of fellas comes out every week and maintains it. They do a really good job. Okay, got the Diamante 25 on deck. Picked this up from the last swap meet, and it's a good price on it. I forget now what it was, 40 bucks, something like that, 50 bucks. And flown it twice, and both times had a landing mishap. First time the just lost power. I guess I had it up in the air too long, and it broke the front gears off. So I fixed that, and I was flying it again, and there's something else happened to it, and I don't recall what it was, but the motor broke out. Yeah, the motor mount broke off, and so it came in and dumped into the ground. No damage other than just the firewall and everything like that. So I'm not a modeler, but I went ahead and rebuilt it and got it back together. The funny thing is that after I got through, I was looking at the epoxy, and it turns out it was metal epoxy. So I'm not sure how it'll hold up. May fall off as soon as I give it power. But we'll give it a try here. Come down here to the end of the field. Well, we've been buzzing about half throttle. May as well give it a try. There's max throttle. Yeah, this flies pretty good. I can tell that in one of those turns she was a little stall prone. Let's see what she does when you slow her way down. Alright, let's go ahead and see if that landing gear is going to hold up. Well, low pass there. I'll come around here and try that one more time. It's my first time flying in probably 3 or 4 weeks. But definitely got a few cobwebs to work out. I guess we'll take that one. That's pretty good. Coming out of the car wash. Yeah, this field, that's one drawback to it. It is just moist as all get out in the mornings. And water just accumulates really heavy. Alright, thanks for watching. Diamante 25 is an old plane. I'm guessing it's probably somewhere between 10 and 13 years old. From eFlite, actually. Thanks for watching.